Hi, welcome. My name is Dr. Emily, podiatrist, human movement specialist, and inventor of Naboso technology. I'm going to take you through a series of 5 to 8 minutes of exercises that I use as the rehab for my patients, as well as recommend as a movement prep for athletes, as well as a warm-up for runners. What we're going to do is we're going to do a series of single leg exercises that incorporate foot to core sequencing. Now, anytime that you are standing on that one leg, I want you to make sure that you are connecting through your feet. To learn a little bit more about how we connect through our feet, please check out our video on grounding. The exercise that we do is called short foot. Every time you're pushing your foot down into the ground, I want you to be lifting your pelvic floor or lifting your core. So please try not to make it belly button to the spine. It is actually a lift or an opposition against gravity. We're going to start by standing on that single leg. Make sure that that knee is bent. Keep the chest up. Make sure your hips are going back. And just start to connect through your feet and through your core. Start to pay attention to the texture underneath the mat. Do you actually feel the texture? Pay attention to that texture that's underneath your foot. And then we'll switch. Find the same position on the other side. Make sure that that knee is bent, the hips are going back, spread the toes, and then lift, opposite leg comes up, and remember you are lifting through your pelvic floor. So there's always that opposition that you're feeling. Remember, your pelvic floor and your fascia are actually anti-gravity muscles, which means if you engage them the right way, you actually oppose and lift off of gravity and off of the ground, which means it's easier on your joints, easier on your body, and is going to reduce impact. And then we'll release. We're going to go right back to that same side. Every exercise that we do, we're doing very low repetitions. So you're on that right side again, low repetitions. What I want you to do is just start to bend that knee a little bit more, almost like you're going into a little bit deeper single leg squat. Keep engaging through your core, engaging through your feet. You're going to lift and exhale, and then release your abdominals. Reconnect, inhale as you go down. So while we're coordinating our breath, exhale, lift, do 2 more. Little bend in your knee. Inhale down. Is that your breath, your diaphragm, your pelvic floor are connected. Do 1 more. Slowly lower down, hold on the bottom. Keep lifting through the pelvic floor. You're lifting through the arch of your foot. Your hips are going back, your chest is up. Push your toes down into the ground and then release. Perfect. Same thing on the other side. Little bend in the knee, engage the abdominals. Opposite leg goes up. If you want to start getting some reciprocal arm motion, absolutely, bring that in as well. Little flexion to the knee, you're going to lower down, exhale, bring it up. 2 more. Inhale down, exhale, bring it up. Last time, hold. Inhale down, hold here. Push your toes down into the ground, lift through your abdominals. Feel that connection, nice strong into your quads and into your glutes. 4, 3, 2, and then release. Perfect. We're going to do a slight rotation, still on your Naboso mat. Right leg is in front, left leg is in back. Bend that knee, lift through the abdominals, and then lift your back leg. You could have a reciprocal arm here, especially if you're an athlete or a runner. You want to reinforce that reciprocal arm. Head is in line with your spine, and your back leg is pulling towards the back wall. So don't just lift your back leg, but lengthen through your back leg. Arms are nice and strong, head is in line with your spine, and then we're going to swing it back up, engage, 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 back to that single leg squat. Again, you're going to go right back out, bend your front knee, lengthen through your back leg, exhale, pull it in, engage. 2 more. This would be your inhale out, bend through your knee, lengthen through your back leg, exhale, bring it up, engage. Last time, inhale out, lengthen here, hold. Lengthen through that back leg, right knee is bent. Push your toes down into the mat, 4, 3, 2, and then release. Perfect. Same thing on the other side. Left leg is going to go forward, right leg goes back. Connect through the foot, reciprocal arm. So we are here. Again, lengthen through the back leg, pull, engage, 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 connect as you bring that leg forward, single leg squat, toes are down. Inhale, bring it out, bend your left knee. Exhale, pull it in, engage your core. 2 more. Inhale out, exhale, bring it in, engage. Last one we hold. Inhale, bring it out and hold. Your left knee is bent. Head stays in line with the spine. Please lengthen through your right leg, almost like someone's pulling your leg to the back wall. 4, 3, 2, and then release. Perfect. And another exercise. You're going to shift a little bit to the right side of your mat. So we've done single leg balance, single leg squat, single leg deadlift, and now we're going to start to shift into a side lunge. Again, remember this is a short warm-up or a short movement prep, incorporating foot to core tension. Start on the right leg. Your left leg is going to slide out to the side into a side lunge. Opposite elbow to your knee, get your reciprocal arm. You're going to connect back through your right foot. Engage, connect. Inhale here, slide. Exhale, connect, engage here. Every time I'm back here, I'm engaging my core. Inhale out, exhale, pull, engage. 2 more. Inhale, exhale, pull. 1 more. Inhale, bring it up and hold here. Hold. Bending that knee, your hips are back. Push your toes down into the ground, really connect. Opposite arm, 4, 3, 2, and then release. Shift a little bit to the left. Same thing on the other side. This will be your last exercise. Again, thinking short repetitions, nice and easy fluid movement to warm up your fascia and your core. Reciprocal arm, slide it out, engage. Connect through your foot, pull in, engage. Inhale out, exhale, pull, engage. This is your inhale. Remember, every time you exhale is where you would want your pelvic floor and your deep core stabilizers to engage. 2 more. Inhale, think core, exhale. 1 more. Slide out, bring it up and hold. Hold here, please. Bending that knee, pushing your toes down into the ground. Engage your core, heads in line with your spine. 4, 3, 2, and then release. Excellent. So again, I would recommend doing this before you go for a run, before you do any of your workout. If you're rehabbing an injury, this is how you warm up your body before you do your rehab exercises. Think of this as the perfect way to introduce gravity and the ground to your nervous system and how your body appropriately stabilizes. Stay barefoot strong and check out more videos at youtube.com/Naboso Technology.